Hey, welcome to in our village. So today I'm going to share with you few tips how to improve our English. Actually, English is most important for everybody. We know. That's why I'm talking with you how to improve our English. Actually, English is most important for everybody. So actually, when are we learning English, have a faced many problem. Kind of don't know vocabulary, don't vocabulary, and kind of don't vocabulary and kind of a lot things. So that's why I'm make video today. So today I'm help with you. Uh, Actually, our problem is uh, we don't know how to how to how to improve our English. So uh, first of all, our know why we are learning English. Actually, I think everybody's this concept when he learns this concept, then everybody will find how to we learn English. Yeah. So first of all, our one thing is every single day consistently every day ours need listening. I'm listening every day 4 5 hours on YouTube videos in English video on YouTube. Yeah, every single day I'm listening a lots video like traveling videos, drama, and motivation videos, and I am I am learning grammatical few things, kind of tense, how to make sentence tense, and uh, vocabularies and preposition. That's it, guys. When you have to learn, when you will be learning English, then you will need a few tricks, kind of the grammatical few things, and you need everyday vocabulary. How will we learn vocabulary? Actually, we are learned vocabulary kind of every day. What do I do? Kind of I am going, I'm coming. I see a tree, a few tree, and I see a lot of things. There's just you think in English in your mind, and every single day you think in English. Yeah, think in English everything. First of all, you think a little bit, kind of for me with me. I'm same, bro. I don't think a lot thing in English, but I know some kind of things I think in English, and I try to speak. I try to speak in English, but I know fluently speak English. But I think this I don't fluently speak English. This is my thing actually. I believe I do believe I do want fluently speak English, and that's why I try every day. And I have a goals. I have big goals. That's it. And you have a few tips maintain, and you practice every single day, 5 10 minutes, 5 minutes, minimum 5 or 10 minutes. You speak English alone. How this possible? You can make videos like me, and or you don't like make videos. You do mirror. You in front of mirrors, and you is practice every day. The help is very much. So very much help you. Just you try it, then will then you will go your change yourself. Actually, I think, yeah. And I'm I'm every day. I do every day. That's the things I'm every day use a few things, a few rules I use every day in my spoken English journey. And you will try a few things. I think you help a lot, you will help a lot, and you do many things. You will change in your English speaking, and you will learn English very easily. Thank you guys. See you soon next time. Today, tata.